Tangsalo haste haphang ni luajimung by guest house to kaisa Koklam panda songchajakha Asalni panda manjakha Bharat haphang ni External Affairs Ministry ni Joint Secretary Ankan Banerjee Asalni panda o paimani yagulo guest house to kaisa kokthum panda bo khwlaikha bo Asalo bin logi tongkha haste haphang ni Home Secretary Dr. P.K. Chakraborty Asalni kokthum panda o konglar na thangai Ankan Banerjee shaka Shal kologma romoi Bangladesh Bharat haphang ni officers ngai sebok khwlaikha Bangladesh Myanmar division no sebok khwlaikha bo borokni kaisa no nasikmu Bangladesh no use khlai Northeast ni haste rok bai ha kotor ni thanglai shu khlainani system no tebo kaham khlainani abono nasigai no samung khlai tongo kisa mukthang angka te baksa rok mukthang ngani bagai nasingjak dakti no railway te national highway shnamjak na hini shaka Ankan Banerjee.
It is a very serious issue. Dr. Chakraborty was saying that they are in Delhi, etc. They are in Haryana. They are in Jammu and Kashmir. Can you imagine the Rohingya in Haryana or Jammu and Kashmir? They are there in large numbers. They are in large numbers in Hyderabad. So it is a serious issue, and they are stateless people. They are very poor people. They can be bought over by anybody. So they can lead to they are security threats. So, but what do you do? Do you think that MEA does not want to issue clearances to send the Rohingyas back to wherever they are? It is not a question of issuing clearance.
Asalni kokthum panda wo Rohingya hapmani rognobo tuiwo kok shaka Joint Secretary Rohingya rok hamya raida bai dalbidal ni ari tuike Bharat hakotoro habitongo abo haikeno kabangma hastewo pirjagai tongbaikha borok Haryana Jammu and Kashmir te Hyderabad bo kabangma Rohingya tongo honi shaka bo Rohingya hapmani patimung hakotor ni security system no shokoromani hai engai tongo.
I was myself posted in Bangladesh from 2010 to 2013. And also I dealt with the Bangladesh-Myanmar division in MEA from 2017 to 2018. So, sir, our efforts are always to expedite connectivity between the two, between the Northeast and Kolkata or West Bengal. It is our endeavor. We always try to do so, and it is happening also. So the railways, you cannot force upon it. So it takes its own time. Diplomatically, everything is resolved. It is after all a process of dialogue. It is a process of give and take. The Prime Minister the Hasina was in India just recently. We have got a very favorable government in Bangladesh, and we have been working closely since 2009. And I am sure all the issues, outstanding issues, will be addressed in an amicable manner.
Asalni kokthum panda haste haphang ni Home Secretary Dr. P.K. Chakraborty shaka Foreign Relation ni kok salaimao transport passport foreign no lekha shrengna ni thangai kabangma jwngjal no mwthakjaknai ni tei foreign no kebo thike borok ni mangkthino ha kotoro tubna ni bagai Koklam salaikha abon logi haste ni arini 856 km engmani bagai haste haphang ni kabangma jwngjal nukjagai tongo abono tuino kok shaka haste haphang ni Home Secretary Dr. P.K. Chakraborty. Bureau Report Koklam.